In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy an Epic Games gift card. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find one, how to pick the right option, and what to expect after you pay, whether you're treating yourself or surprising someone else. First, choose where you want to buy the card. You can go with big-name retailers like Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, GameStop, Target, or Kroger, or head to official online retailers that sell Epic Games gift cards directly. Think about whether you want a physical card you can hand over or a digital code you can receive by email. Physical cards are great for gifting in person and are usually available in stores and for shipping. Digital codes are fast and convenient if you need it right away. Whichever you pick, stick to trusted, authorized sellers and make sure the retailer serves your country to avoid region or currency issues. Next, search for the product. Type Epic Games gift card or Fortnite gift card into the store's search bar. Look closely at the product page to confirm it's an Epic Games compatible card and not a card for a different platform. Check the description, supported region, and delivery method. If the site offers multiple versions, choose the one that matches how you plan to receive it, physical card or digital code. Now, select the amount that fits your budget or the recipient's needs. Common options are $10, $15, $25, $50, or $100. Some listings also let you choose a digital code option at the same price points. If you're unsure, think about the in-game items or content you want to cover and choose the amount that gets you there without overspending. Digital delivery is usually the fastest choice. Physical cards may require shipping time or an in-store pickup. When you're ready, buy the card, add it to your cart, head to checkout, and complete your payment. Most retailers accept debit cards, credit cards, and PayPal. Before you confirm, double-check the quantity, the delivery method, and your email address if you're buying a digital card, or your shipping or pickup details for a physical one. Taxes may apply depending on your location. Finally, receive your code. If you bought a physical card, you'll find the code on the back, often under a scratch-off panel. Scratch gently so you don't damage it, and keep your receipt. If you purchased a digital card, the code will arrive by email. Check your inbox and spam folder and save the message. Treat the code like cash and don't share it publicly. If there's any delay, contact the retailer's support with your order details. Enjoy your Epic Games gift card.